All right, guys. So before we start, I just want to get these two out of the way. This is for Elemin8. I think I've owed these for a couple days. Got an orange and a blue and a CJ Abrams. It's a good start. Sammy Ciani, Logan Wyatt, Julio Rodriguez, CJ Abrams, Joey Bart, JJ Bleday, Quintana Groshans. Those guys probably come pretty close to paying for the box all by themselves. Brandon Williamson and Aaron Shunk. And Williamson is to 25. Shunk, I think, is a second rounder. Yeah, they're both second rounders, actually. So, not bad. Not bad. Hey, guys. How's everyone doing? We've got 6 cases coming up right after this. I just figure I'd get these out of the way. They only take a couple minutes, so. Julio Rodriguez again. It's good. Cody Hose. Priester. Aaron Shunk again. Wow. And Bryce Terang. So another Shunk. This one to 15. And then Bryce Terang. That's not Bryce Terang's first Bowman, though, but that is Shunk. So nice cards. Your first box, I think, was better, but, you know, you got a gold to 15 in the second box. So, 2 Shunk. I think the first box paid for itself just in base. Okay, these are for C. Rainey. C. Rainey. I think this is a little high. There we go. And then he just got these tonight, so I'm not late on these ones. Alright, guys, let's see what we got here. We have got an orange. Still no Papadopoulos for me. Not yet, anyway. Nolan Gorman, Seth Beer, Andrew Vaughn, nice card. Josh Jung, nice card. One more card like that, and this box is paid for. JJ Gose and Grant McCray. That's pretty nice. Grant McCray, 11 of 25. That's a nice card. JJ Gose is a first rounder, but the Grant McCray is probably the better hit. Just because it's a Rays pitcher, you know. Oh no, that doesn't surprise me any. That doesn't surprise me any. I imagine what I posted for him probably made him pretty angry. Mauricio, Timmy Tebow. Just say, hey, aren't you Ian Mardris? Wander Franco, CJ Abrams, Joey Bart, JJ Bleday. That's some nice cards. Is his boy the scammer? Tommy Henry and Sammy Ciani. That's a nice card. First rounder, second rounder. Not too shabby. Your videos get so many comments. It's not like it's gonna sit at the top or anything, unless he's got multiple accounts and he's like liking his own comment to push it to the top. That wouldn't surprise me any. Seth Beer, Andrew Vaughn. He must not have much work as a financial analyst. Mauricio. These are off center. Victor Mesa. And John Rave. So Mesa's a really good one. I don't know about the Rave, but Mesa is. Free agent and then fifth rounder with Rave. James Beard. Cody Hose. Hunter Bishop. Nice hit. Riley Green. Nice hit. Kyle Stowers. Oh, there you go. How about that one right there? CJ Abrams. Ah, another nice one. Jonathan India. It's not his first Bowman. But that's definitely another first rounder there. So 5th overall and 6th overall. Not bad. Not bad. CJ Abrams probably your best card so far. Another orange. Sammy Ciani. Christian Javier. Jared Kelenic. Cody Hose. Greg Jones. Cameron Misner. Quintana. And Grant Gambrell. Nova. Nova's a nice card. That's a nice hit. But still, CJ Abrams definitely the best one out of that bunch. That's a nice hit right there. Blue CJ Abrams. Grant McCray orange. That's nice too. Yeah. Good job. Let's put out those, the India and the Abrams. That's a pretty good pack right there. Hey guys. I lost my phone. All right, let me save that video and then we'll just go straight to it, okay?